These easy-baked tortillas are the perfect high-protein breakfast. Each one has just 275 calories and 20 grams of protein. It only takes a few minutes to make. We're gonna need some Swiss cheese. You can find the exact amounts for every ingredient down in the description below the video. I want to say a huge thank you to everyone who supports me with your likes. I really appreciate it. Sending you all a big hug. Fat-free cottage cheese. 1 whole egg, and we'll use another egg at the end for brushing. I'm using half a cucumber because mine is pretty big. Add as much fresh dill as you like. Half a teaspoon of salt. Half a teaspoon of garlic powder. And some black pepper to taste. The filling comes out perfect for exactly 6 tortillas. Now just brush each tortilla with egg yolk. Perfect! Into a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. What I love most is how tender they turn out. The tortillas stay soft, the flavor is so gentle and delicious, and the whole recipe comes together super fast. Enjoy your meal, everyone. See you in the next video.